What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. We are playing online 11 table tennis. Let's see. Right now my rank is 1600, world rank 31,000, ranked wins 40, and we're waiting on an opponent. My last opponent was pretty good with his forehand, but not a good backhand table tennis player. So I started picking on the backhand, and he just completely fell apart. All right, here we go. Magicman20102. Let's see what kind of magic you got. Spin. All right. So right off the bat, this guy feels like a forehand guy to me. Ugh. Ugh. Dump in the net. So you can get people, if you forehand and then cut it, you can get people with that spin and get them to dump it in the net. Ooh, yes sir. So we're just going to go back and forth, forehand, backhand, forehand. That strategy seems to work pretty good on most folks. And again, if you get in trouble, go to the backhand. Oh, that was a dumb shot. Stupid little cut shot. That little bitty cut shot. I could do that too. Yeah, see, he's protecting his backhand, so that's what I need to do. Come on. In the net. That cut shot got him. Forehand, backhand. Forehand, backhand. Here we go. First round's mine. All right. Oh, come on. Backhand. Backhand. Oh! Angle's bad. There we go. I like those serves, dude. Oh, yeah. There we go. Backhand, forehand. Oh, good shot. Good shot. There we go. Backhand. Oh, bounce for me. There we go. Just a few more points. Yeah, come on. Good shot. Get down. Come on. I don't know why I keep dumping in the net like that. There we go. So that spin on that serve will translate a little bit. Meaning once you hit it off the paddle, it'll keep spinning one way or the other. Ah, oh, come on. That was an awful idea. Yeah, I need to start going to the backhand again. Oh, come on. My angle was wrong. There we go. That's a good shot. You see, you don't like that backhand. Hey, good game, man. All right, there we go. We've won 3 in a row. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe and like for more. We're going to play some more ranked ping pong matches, so y'all check it out.